Hello everyone. I Sumit Joshi welcome you all on the behalf of entire Creativist team. And today here we are for NIFT marathon, and this marathon will be in two parts. Today we are going to discuss the verbal reasoning section, and in next part of the same marathon we will be discussing quantitative aptitude section. So before we start the section, let me welcome you all once again, and I hope all of you are preparing well for your exams. So if you are looking for any kind of study material, you can download the same by clicking on the link given in the description box. There also, if you have not subscribed this YouTube channel, you must subscribe it as this we are bringing regularly content related to various design and architecture entrance exams. And as NIFT is around the corner, I expect that you people will follow the channel so that you get regular updates, regular videos that are relevant for NIFT. Also, you can follow us on Telegram and Instagram. Uh, at Telegram and Instagram, you'll be getting regular updates about exams, also various regular quizzes on GK and verbal section. uh, that is English language section. So start करते हैं without any further delay. So the very first session is on verbal reasoning, right? Good evening, Surbhi. Good evening, Sakshi. I hope I'm clearly audible, visible as well. And if I'm audible, visible, please mention some thumbs up in the comments so that we can start the session, right? So the very first part is verbal reasoning, and here in this verbal reasoning section, today we are going to take the questions from past year papers or the sample papers that is available on the NIFT website, and we'll be relating it to the topics जो आपको prepare करने हैं. मैं सिर्फ question के solution पर focus नहीं कर रहा हूँगा. In fact, my emphasis will be on how we should prepare. What are the topics that we must prepare, right? So, guys, please write. I'm please show thumbs up. Yes, thank you, Aditya Kaushik. So that I am aware of that I am clearly audible, visible. Good evening, Ria. So let us start the session. So in the very first part, we are talking about completion of series by replacing question mark with the correct option. So series completion, there are three questions on series completion, right? So series completion is an important topic from the point of view of NIFT. If you are preparing for NIFT, you must prepare series based questions. On the parallel, I also request you कि अगर कोई सीरीज कंप्लीशन का क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व कर रहे हैं एग्जाम में बहुत ज्यादा टाइम खर्च हो रहा है ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस आपको लग रहा है सो प्लीज लीव दैट एंड मूव फॉरवर्ड राइट सो लेट्स डिस्कस द फर्स्ट वन 11 23 35 47 59 so yes Surabhi you're right Sakshi your answer is not correct the correct answer should be 71 here if you see the pattern this is plus 12. So 11 plus 12 giving you 23, 23 plus 12 giving you 35, 35 plus 12 giving you 47, 47 plus 12 giving you 59, and 59 plus 12 will give you 71, right? So the correct answer is 71. All right, students, let's talk about the second one. Second one is U7Z V6A W5B X4C Y3D. So let's focus on the very first letter. So this is increasing UVW from left to right. So the very first letter should be Z, and on that basis I can eliminate option 3 and option 4. Right. Now let's focus on the middle number. That is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next should be 2. And as soon as I find 2, I can eliminate the first one as well. And I'll mark my answer as Z2E or Z2E. Right? All right. Uh, I'm glad that many of you marked it right. Let's talk about the third question on the series completion. So A 8, B, C 7, D, E 6, F. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Next should be G, H. So on that basis, I can eliminate these two. And 8, 7, 6. Next should be 5, then 4. So I can eliminate this one as well. And the correct answer will be third one, right? So guys, three questions on series completion. And that's not it. That's not it. In fact, you have few more questions on series. That is find the odd one out. Find the odd one out. So we need to determine the odd one out. That is also a part of series only. There is a pattern that we need to recognize and follow the pattern. So if we are able to identify the pattern, we must identify the option that is not following the pattern, the option that is not following the pattern, right? This is what is odd one out. So odd one out is again a part of series only. अगर आप series completion, series based questions का preparation कर रहे हैं अच्छे से, so you can easily solve questions on odd one out, right? So let's look at this question. The very first number is 4, then 10, then 18, then 22, 28, and 34. So correct answer could be 4 to 10, 10 to 18, 18 to 22, 22 to 28, 28 to 34. If you see here, this is plus 6, this is plus 8, this is plus 4, this is plus 6, this is plus 6. So plus 6 वाला pattern चल रहा होता had that 18 been 16, right? अगर ये 16 होता तो यहाँ पर भी plus 6 होता और यहाँ पर भी plus 6 हो जाता. So the odd one out is 18. The odd one out is 18. Well done, Divyanka. The correct answer is 18. I'm glad you guys are able to determine numbers quickly, right? So let's continue on the next question. अगले question की बात करते हैं. Dipesh, I hope you got the logic. Now you are able to answer it as 18, right? So O for F, N 5E, M 6C, L 7C, K 8B. If we follow a logic here, this is B, this is C, this should be D, then it is E, then it is F, K, L, M, N, O. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So this should be the odd one out should be the third one. The third one. The third one should be the odd one out, right? M6C. This should be M6D, not M6C. B, C, D, E, F. Reverse order. Reverse order we are solving, right? So the correct answer to this one should be a third one. Similarly, now we are at this sixth question on series, or you can say third question of odd one out. So A, P, L, Z, Q, K, Y, R, J, X, S, I. So see here, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, right? P, Q, R, S, T, U, L, M, N. No, G, H, this should be H, G, H, I, J, K, L, right? So I hope we all are able to differentiate here. Had this K been J, it would have worked. W, T, H, G, H, I, J, K, L. So WTK is odd one out. WTK is odd one out. I'm glad. Surabhi, Dipesh, Sakshi, Ria, Rohan, all of you got it right. Well done, guys. Well done. You're preparing, your preparation is going in the right direction. You're preparing regularly. आपके answers with confidence यही बता रहे हैं, right? So let's move to next question set. Let's move to next question set. So the very next question is on blood relations. The very next question is on blood relations. This is based on blood relations. So let's look at this blood relation question. Akriti said to Mina Kumari that the person standing there is your mother's unmarried sister's only brother-in-law's son. Bada complicated, right? So let's break it into smaller chunks. Let's break it into smaller chunks. Well done, Sakshi. You already got an answer. How is that person related to Mina Kumari? So let's break it. That person standing there is your mother's. So Meena Kumari's mother, right? Meena Kumari's mother. Meena Kumari's mother's unmarried sister's only brother-in-law. Only brother-in-law is brother-in-law is sister's or brother's spouse. That could be because she is unmarried. So her only brother-in-law must be her sister's husband. That is Meena Kumari's father. This man is Meena Kumari's father, and this woman is Meena Kumari's mother. Right. So in my notation, I have used circle to represent females, and I have used box to represent male. Right. So that person standing there is your mother's unmarried sister's only brother-in-law's son. So this man's son. So that has to be male. How is that person related to Meena Kumari? So that person cannot be a female, and we can determine the information about that man. So on that basis only I can eliminate the three options and mark my answer as the third one. Brother. Good. Well done. Well done, guys. Right. So blood relation based questions are important. Blood relation based questions are important. Let's move to next question. This is based on setting arrangement. This is based on setting arrangement. So when we talk about setting arrangement, setting arrangement में आपका emphasis सिर्फ given type linear setting arrangement पर नहीं होना चाहिए. Linear, parallel, and circular. All three types of setting arrangement must be prepared effectively. बहुत अच्छे से आपको इसकी preparation करने की जरूरत है, right? तो ये preparation हमारी बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए. So let's talk about it. L, M, N, O, P, Q are sitting in a row, all facing front. तो सारे लोग एक ही रो में है. How many of them are there? 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. There are 6. I'm sorry. There are 6 persons. L, M, N, O, P, and Q. Right? Not necessarily not necessary that this person is L. This person could be somebody else as well. So what is given out to us? All of them facing front. So I am considering this as front. So this is not. So this, if this side is left and this side will be right. Okay. L and M are sitting at two ends. So it could be this way or it could be this way, right? N is sitting to the right of L. N is sitting to the right of L. That means this possibility is eliminated. I can eliminate this possibility. N is sitting to the right of L. N is here. Who is sitting to the immediate left of M? We also know that P and Q are sitting at the center. So this is PQ or QP, right? Right? These are the possible settings. These are the possible settings. PQ, QP. So who is to the immediate left of M? So the only person remaining is O. So O should be on the left of M. Well done, guys. Let's continue with the next question. Next question is, if flowers is written in this manner, how will mountain be written? So if we look at flowers, this is the word, and if we look at the code, that is SREWOLG, right? So C, can you see this is written in reverse order and this F has been replaced by plus one. This is nothing but F plus one. So similarly, Mountain can be rewritten as Niatnuon. This N is nothing but M plus 1. So Niatnuon. Niatnu, not Nuon. So the third one is correct. Sakshi, the last one should not be M. The last one should be N, right? So this is coding, decoding. This is coding, decoding. So you must prepare coding, decoding effectively, right? Next, this is distance and directions. This is distance and directions. So let's look at the next question. Arzu starts jogging. Arju starts jogging from location A in south direction for 1 kilometer and then takes a left turn. So distance and direction, please define the direction. This is north, this is south. Going clockwise from north at 90 degrees, you will have east, and the rest is west. Okay, so this is west. A is in south direction for 1 kilometer and then takes a left turn and travels 3 kilometers to reach location C. So A starts from this 1 kilometer in south. So facing south, taking left. Facing north, taking left is going west. So facing south, taking left is going east. So this is 1 kilometer and this is 3 kilometers, right? So where is he? So where is he? Where is she? Arzu. Arzu was at A. She reached B and then she reached C. Right. Now she takes a right turn from location C and travels for 5 kilometers to location D. Facing east, taking right is again going towards south. And this time she is covering a distance of 5 kilometers to reach location D. After reaching location D, she takes another right turn and travels for 3 kilometers. Facing south, taking right is going towards west and travels for 3 kilometers to reach location E. So she travels 3 kilometers to reach location E. Right, this is 3 kilometers. In which direction is लोकेशन ए फ्रॉम लोकेशन ई सो लोकेशन ए से अगर लोकेशन ए को देखना है कहां से देखना है लोकेशन ई से देखना है सो दिस इज टूवर्ड्स नॉर्थ सो दिस इज टूवर्ड्स नॉर्थ be very careful be very careful while reading the question. What is asked is important, what is asked is very important, guys. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. West is not correct. Aditya Sakshi. Dipesh, well done. You marked it right. Shreya, well done. Kunal, well done. I hope all of us are able to understand कि कहाँ जा रहा है, गड़बड़ क्या हो रही है. So we must ensure थोड़े से बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स करेक्ट रखने की जरूरत है. बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर रखेंगे तब दिक्कत नहीं होगी, राइट. पुट योरसेल्फ इनटू द सिचुएशन. आप अपने आप को लेफ्ट राइट रख कर देखो. ऑन एग्जाम डे यू कैन रोटेट योर रफ शीट. सर अब वो डायरेक्शन में घूमना अलाउड नहीं होता है ना एग्जाम सेंटर पर, आई अंडरस्टैंड. बट प्लीज रोटेट द शीट. यू कैन रोटेट द शीट, राइट. विशाल, नो किडिंग, नो किडिंग. प्लीज प्लीज विशाल, रीड द क्वेश्चन. उसके बाद बात करेंगे ना. Read the question and then answer. So let's continue to the next question. Four tickets for a movie and for movie A and 5 tickets for movie B cost rupees 1540. So can I write it as 4A plus 5B is equal to 1540? But 5 tickets for A and 4 tickets for B cost rupees 1460. What is the cost of movie ticket B? So B का वैल्यू डिटरमाइन करना है. A को इक्वेट कर लें. A को इक्वेट कर लें. Let's multiply 5 here and let's multiply 4 here. So 5 into 4, 20A plus 25B is equal to 5, 0, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27, 5 1s are 5 and 2, 7, 5. Am I correct? एक बार चेक कर लें. विशाल, ईस्ट में कैसे रहेगा बेटा? लास्ट टर्न की बात कर रहे हैं ना. देखो डी पर पहुंचने तक क्लियर था क्या? लेट मी रिपीट इट वंस. सो ए Arzu starts jogging from location A in south 1 kilometer. So facing south, taking left is going towards east, right? ठीक है. यहां से आप ईस्ट वॉक कर रहे हैं 3 किलोमीटर. देन रीचिंग सी. आफ्टर रीचिंग सी you are taking a right turn. Facing east, taking right is going towards south. So going downward, giving walking for a distance of 5 kilometer, reaching location D. After reaching location D, taking a right turn, facing south, taking right as going towards west, and covering a distance of 3 kilometers. So this line and this line is equal in distance and they are parallel to each other. So point A, B और E एक ही line में होंगे, right? And now it is asked in which direction is location A from E. So E से upward देख रहा हूँ ना, तो upward direction is north, right? So let's continue. So this is 7,700. Thank you, Rohan. So this is 1,500 into 5, 7,500, 40 into 5, 200. So now let's multiply it. 20A plus 16B is equal to 14 fours are 1,600, 60 fours are 240. So 5,600, 14 fours are 5,600 and 60 fours are 240. So 56 plus 240 is 5840, right? So now subtract. So we can eliminate this part. So 25 minus 6 is 9B. 60 add कर देंगे, 160 add करते हैं, and then 1,700. So 1,700 plus 160. So this is 1,860, right? 1,860 आ रहा है क्या difference? So let's calculate. This 0, 10 minus 4 is 6, 18 minus 16 minus 8 is 8, 6 minus 5 is 1. So 9 2s are 18, 0, 9 6s are 54, 206. So answer is, जैसे 20 कुछ आया ना, तभी आप तो आंसर मार्क कर सकते थे. आपको पूरा ऑप्शन कैलकुलेशन करनी ही नहीं है, राइट? कंप्लीट कैलकुलेशन इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड। प्लीज प्लीज मेक श्योर कि आप ऑप्शंस को अपने फेवर में यूज कर रहे हैं। तो दिस इज लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल, लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स। ठीक है, तो ये एलजेब्रा का क्वेश्चन है जो रीजनिंग वाले सेक्शन के साथ साथ पूछ लिया गया है। दो इट शुड बी आस्क्ड इन क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड पार्ट, बट ये रीजनिंग वाले पार्ट में पूछा गया है। तो एलजेब्रा का क्वेश्चन है, लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स टॉपिक का नाम है, और इस तरह से हमें काम करना है। तो मैं ये कह रहा था कि कैलकुलेशन आपको यहाँ पर थोड़े से केयरफुली करने चाहिए। यू डोंट नीड टू एक्चुअली कैलकुलेट एवरी वैल्यू। देखो ना, बड़े आसानी से, जैसे ही हमारे पास डिफरेंस 1860 आया, 9 टू 18 हुआ, और पहला ही ऑप्शन अगर आप देखें, ऑप्शन फर्स्ट डिजिट इज 2, देयर इज ओनली वन ऑप्शन विद 2। सो प्लीज check your options while answering in the exam, right? So thank you guys for this particular session. In our next session, I'll be focusing on quantitative aptitude part. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel. Follow us on Telegram and Instagram for regular updates. And also, you can download the study material for free by clicking on the link given in the description box. So thank you guys. See you in our next uh, NIFT marathon, where we will be talking about quantitative aptitude section. Please drop comments if you have any query, or you can even ask things. And before I end the session, आपको रीजनिंग से जिन टॉपिक्स को कंप्लीटली स्टार्ट कर ही लेना चाहिए, उन टॉपिक्स को हम एक बार समराइज कर लेते हैं। वर्बल रीजनिंग में आप क्या क्या कर रहे होंगे। तो सबसे पहली इंपॉर्टेंट बात है सीरीज का। सीरीज के क्वेश्चंस करने हैं, कोडिंग डिकोडिंग के क्वेश्चंस करने हैं, कोडिंग डिकोडिंग के क्वेश्चंस करने हैं। देन आपको एज बेस्ड ब्लड रिलेशन वाले क्वेश्चंस करने हैं, ब्लड रिलेशन के क्वेश्चंस करने हैं। देन आपको डिस्टेंस डायरेक्शन के क्वेश्चंस करने हैं। सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट के क्वेश्चंस करने हैं। सो दीज आर द टॉपिक्स जिनको आप बिल्कुल बिल्कुल इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते। यू मस्ट नॉट इग्नोर दीज टॉपिक्स, दीज आर द टॉपिक्स, राइट? सो थैंक यू सो मच। सी यू इन आवर नेक्स्ट सेशन। प्लीज ड्रॉप कमेंट्स अगर आपको किसी टॉपिक पर कोई कंफ्यूजन रहे तो। बिल्कुल आदित्य, अगली बार हम क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड वाले क्वेश्चंस पर ही बात कर रहे होंगे, उसके इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स की भी बात कर रहे होंगे साक्षी। सो इन आवर नेक्स्ट सेशन हम उस पर बात करेंगे। टिल देन प्रिपेयर वेल, स्टे हेल्दी, मेक श्योर आप अपने अदर हैबिट्स पर थोड़ा सा सही काम कर रहे हैं, सो दैट आप एग्जाम टाइम तक बहुत हेल्दी बने रहे एंड यू अपीयर इन योर एग्जाम इन योर बेस्ट ऑफ हेल्थ, राइट? सो थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग देयर। सी यू इन आवर नेक्स्ट सेशन।